can't quite figure out what the great blue heron is doing here. It's over by Ridgeside Lake. It seems to be coughing up some stuff, so maybe its last meal didn't really agree with it. After a mostly goose-free summer, the burial ground attracts up to 70 or 80 geese at a time hanging out on Ridgeside Lake. Here's one of the small flotillas of the large flock that's cut over, and sometimes they head out of the pond there, but today they decided to feed in the pond, and here comes some tip-ups. Then I went back to watching the heron. The same heron from the backside. There's a little hole in the leaf cover, and it gives you a perfect view of the heron in a place where he's not really looking for you, and you've got enough cover that it seems to just let it be. And then some of the geese floated by. And we'll finish up with a couple of shots of the flicker.